My mom did a marathon when she turned 50. I was in my early 20s. I was not athletic or competitive. My sister and I went and supported our mom, and we thought, well, if she could do a marathon, we can do a marathon. The next year, the three of us did the San Diego Rock and Roll Marathon all together. From there, triathlon just sort of evolved. I love the competitiveness of it. It's really pushing yourself to your limits, seeing what you're made of. You can't just wake up one day and decide you're going to do it. It takes planning and preparation. The same thing is true with the practice of law. When I'm in a courtroom or making an argument, it's showing what I can do, showing how I can represent this person, really making a difference in that way.
The main goal of the Rosenblum Allen Law Firm is to be an advocate for the clients. First and foremost, we have to listen. They want to know somebody's listening, that somebody is behind them and supports them. Though it may be the first time they've had to go through this, we do it every day. So we have an enormous amount of experience. We know what advice to give clients to help them through these times.
Our role extends beyond just legal advice or drafting a piece of paper. A lot of times it really is counseling a client, what they need to do, how to prepare for sort of that next step in their lives.
Me and my child's mother got to a point to where we no longer could agree on things or come to terms with things. My biggest fear was not actually taking action, but affecting the child. It's all about the interest of the child. And Molly and Kyle made that clear when I came to them. I felt very confident in them. Anything that I needed answered, they would right away. Kyle and Molly and I grew into where we could call each other personal cell phone, just make sure that communication was flowing, everything was all right with the child, the situation was okay, whatever the issue may be.
At Rosenblum Allen Law Firm, family is in everything we do here. Real people, real problems, real results. That's our tagline, and people who have real problems, they're facing losing their house, losing their money, losing their kids. Everyone here has that compassion for the client. They want the client to do well. They want the client to have a good outcome and to be able to move on.
I would recommend Rosenblum Allen Law Firm. Reach out, tell them your situation, be open, tell them what's going on. If you give them everything, they will guide you in the right direction.